Hello everybody. So I'm going to visit Capo Land today and maybe try to put something to bed. So a while back, when I was in the other lab, I've since moved and I'm in a completely different building now. Completely different everything in here. I showed one of these and going into the service mode and looking over the various options. And I connected a USB cable to the radio. And that, of course, spurred these, well, that was theatrics, because you really only have to use a gesture. That's very true. You really only have to use a gesture. And at the time, I didn't show either of the gestures, because there are two gestures to get into that mode. One of them, you as a customer don't have access to. So that said, everybody knows what that original gesture is now. At the time, I wasn't going to just advertise it because I didn't know how public they really wanted to make it. So, of course, everybody knows the hold function, turn on, and then push, Roger Beep, noise blanker, ANL, and the DW key, and you get into the service mode. There's another one, and there's some... Let me just put it this way. There's some stuff that can be reprogrammed, to put it in layman's terms. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and, put in the secret sauce so that this gesture that I just did turns into something completely different, like this, that absolutely won't work. And you can see that holding function does not work. Not working right now. It doesn't, it just holds the display. And then you let it go, and then it goes ahead and it does its thing. So, so stand by while I go over to where the computer is, because in the other video, the computer was next to it, and this computer that is on this work table is a new one, and it doesn't have those programs. So I'm going to go to that computer, plug in the cable, do some stuff, and I shall return momentarily. Okay, so I am back after applying the special sauce, so to speak. And go ahead and do the business here. So turn it on. It still isn't unlocked or anything. And now I can just do this. So that's what I did previously, is I used a special thing to access certain hidden features of the radio and make certain changes to the code, which enabled an easier access to the service menu. So I can't always share things, people. If I could, I would. But sometimes, I get asked not to share things. So I hope that dispels the, the cable was some sort of, theatrics. As you can clearly see, it's different now. So anyway, put that one to bed. Cheers, guys. Till next time.